Now we shall see autoflush attribute of a page directive tag. This autoflush attribute should be used along with the buffer. Just now we have seen buffer attributes. Now we shall see about autoflush. So what should I do? I will add one more attribute whose name is autoflush. Autoflush assignment operator. Make it as a true. Make it as a true. So in this way you can able to add autoflush attribute to the particular page. So I'll go to directive. I will add here autoflush. I will add here autoflush. Okay. So earlier I used 10 size. You can make it 15. You can make it 20. You can make it 19. Your wish. You can make go to 30, 40 KB. Based on requirement, you can make it. Save. So let me refresh the page. You won't see any difference here. These things will be taken care by server itself internally. The page will reload and you will find the same. Do you find any difference here? Do you find any difference? Okay. These things will be taken care by server itself. Just my JSP code server will check is out buffer is out is null, means object is not initialized yet, and its size is 0. If both are false, sorry, if this is also, if is not equal to null means true, this is also true, if both are true, then only I will commit the response. I will flush to the browser window. Okay, otherwise I will clear the buffer. Fine. So let me add the note point about the buffer. Sorry, autoflush. So in this way you can able to work with the autoflush attribute of a page directive tag. So flushing a buffer is nothing but flushing a buffer is nothing but sending the buffer content, sending the buffer content to its actual uh, client or actual destination window, destination or client you can call, or you can call browser window generally, because here client is a browser, right? Fine. So flushing a buffer is nothing but sending the buffer content, all the buffer content to the browser window. Sending all the buffer contents to its actual or original destination or client browser window. What is this? मी काहीच नाही केलं. मी काय झालं काय? ओके. तुमचं लक्ष इथं नाहीये, तिथं लक्ष. सो मॅम मी 8ला फोन करू का? काही अर्जन्सी कारण क्लास चालू होता. मी कळवतो मॅम सगळं. सध्या तो JSPचं चालू आहे क्लास. हो. Then flushing a buffer. Next, you can make it true, you can make it false. I will use this content to enable auto flush. You can make it true. To enable auto flushing on the buffer, set auto flush to true. Set auto flush value to true. Okay, ठीक है. Next, if you make it false, wrong combinations. One more thing I should tell you. when buffer size is 0 or none. You have set the buffer size none or 0. Okay, 0 means 0 KB. There is no buffer size, and you are making autoflush false. Does it make any sense? Does it make any sense? So next, so when buffer size is 0 or when buffer size is 0 or none, we should not enable, we cannot or should not enable to work with the लक्ष्य कुठे आहे आज? Come on. To work with the autoflush attribute. So this is invalid. Now I'm setting here, you can make it 0, you can make it none. Okay, and here false. There is no use. There is no use, right? Huh? So this is the wrong combination. You can call. Let me add note point here. This is the wrong combination. Okay. Next, we shall see about a question. The question is: do I scroll up? Do I scroll the window? Still, bus ka? The question is: what is the difference between implicit object page and page context? We shall see now. Control Shift